Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, ongoing tension in Trelawny is escalating rapidly after the brutal rape and murder of 10-year-old Shani Coke and the mob killing of the suspect.
After Thursday's protest, the police were again called to the community after arsonists set the suspect's house on fire.
TVJ News was informed that it followed the arrest of a resident in the community. This is the latest episode of unrest in Trelawny. This house stands as a skeleton of its former self, a symbol of how the once peaceful community has erupted into chaos after 10-year-old Shani Coke was raped and killed and her alleged killer, Trelawny Coke, chopped to death by a mob. This is the house where the suspect lived with his father. After residents protested the arrest of a man who was nabbed by the police for allegedly participating in the mob killing, the house was set on fire hours later.
You couldn't have a man like that in the community and I want to get rid of him. Me never see him chop him up, you know, so me couldn't go see him. Because a crowd of people around there, you understand?
They're angry because they want the man in custody to be released. The residents say he's innocent of all wrongdoings, and they believe the authorities are the ones who failed the community, especially Shani.
When time him do these things and go to jail and come back, and him come back in the area, him come and him scrape down people's door, and you go up there and make complain about him, them say you have to have proof. What you have to have proof when the man been get locked up for these stuff and I come back in the same area.
Max is a peacemaker. Max is a person where doing farming. So you see, when Max leaves, sometimes 6 o'clock, sometimes 5 o'clock in the morning, no come back sometimes until 6 or 7 o'clock in the night. Sometimes him no come in at all.
No matter when you go to station, the police them now come down here and them now say nothing. You understand me? But a long time you leave come out of the community, man. Because him father broke him bad. Now everything, you understand me? I want Max to come back, same way.
We were informed that even the suspect's dog was killed during last night's arson attack. A shop on the property was also looted. Trelawny Coke's father, who was also injured during the mob attack, is still receiving treatment in hospital. Sources say his partner had to flee the community hours before the arson attack. It's not clear who is behind the incident. The Warsaw police declined to speak to our news team. However, what we can say is that normality may not be restored in the community anytime soon.
And this is so bad because the little girl don't deserve it. We cut up about it because young as we be here, we have kids, so we feel it. One mother cry, all mother cry.